Hello everyone, this is Samuel Odro from Vortex Technologies, and you are welcome to your very first tutorial in IoT using Arduino Raspberry Pi. This course will focus on Arduino programming, then we'll look at programming Raspberry Pi in our future course. In this tutorial, we'll be installing the Arduino IDE, which will help us program the Arduino board. So without wasting much time, let's switch over to our browser, then log on to arduino.cc. Now on their homepage, navigate to software and downloads. Scroll down to the download the IDE section, then select your preferred OS. In my case, I am on Windows machine, so I'll select Windows installer, and if you are on Mac, you can select any of these Mac links. So I'll go ahead and click on Windows installer for Windows XP and upwards. And since I already have the IDE installed on my PC, I wouldn't want to download, but you can go ahead and click on just download, then download and install it on your PC. After the installation has completed, go to your desktop and open. In my case, I have pinged the IDE to my taskbar. So I'll open it up. So there are a few many options that I would like to walk you through. Now, when you look at the top, we have a check mark, which this check mark basically what it does is it helps us to verify or compile our code. So anytime you write your codes and you want to verify if there are no errors, you click on this verify link and it will compile, and if there are any errors, it will flag on the line on which the error is. And you have and beneath this white area is our error log console. So all the flags, if there are any error flags, it will show up in this console. Okay, sorry. And we have the next main option is the upload button, and this button basically helps us to upload the code to our connected Arduino board via USB. Okay, and we have a new, that is if you want to create a new work file, you click on that, and you have open. You have a recent work that you want to open, you click on this open, then you have save, and this save you can also Windows key plus S would also save for you. Okay, so now when you look at this area, we have the void setup block, we have the void loop block. Now every Arduino program must have these two sets of block, and the first block is where our default settings goes, and any code in this void setup block runs one time, and in the void loop, any code in the void loop runs continuously. So that is all for now, and if you have any suggestions, comments, we can get interactive. You can get interactive on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all at Vortex Technologies, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for any latest YouTube videos uploads. So bye for now, and I will see you in my next tutorial.